Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the code on your Honda Accord or any Honda 2015 and newer that has the two screens, okay? First thing is first, you need to get the serial number for the radio. How do you do that? Number one, you're going to have to press display and back. I'm going to use one hand, but you're going to have to press display and back at the same time and then press and hold the power button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to have this screen right here. This is a self-diagnosis or a detail information settings screen, and you're going to see this screen right here on your Honda. So we're going to use this wheel and we're going to turn to detail information, click detail information, and then hit unit check right here on the top right, unit check, then ECU, hit on ECU info, boom, that's your serial number. Copy that down. Once you copy that down, you can hit return, and go back to the main screen so you can put your code back. Alright, so return, and then we hit return again, boom. Now we're back to the enter the code, and we're going to go online, enter the code. For this code to work, you're going to need to go to a website called dev.radio-navicode.honda.com, and here's what it tells you you're going to need. You're going to need a couple of things, which number one is going to be the VIN number on your car, and number two is going to be the device serial number, which is how I just showed you how to get it, okay? Once you get all that information, then we're going to go ahead and click where it says get codes. So let me zoom in, hit get codes. Alright, and it's going to ask me to put that information in, which is going to be the VIN number, zip code, my phone number, the email, and the serial number of the radio. And if you have like a navigation or a radio, you're going to need two codes. So I'm going to fill this information out real quick and then I'm going to hit submit. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, so if you get an error message like this, give that number a call and they will give you a 5-digit code. Once you get your 5-digit code, type it in on your car, and now your car's going to work. Your navigation on your radio is going to work with no problems now. That's how you get the radio code and the serial number on a Honda Accord 2015 and up with the two screens. Alright? This works on an Acura too. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good day.